kau sacha kanchi kuna rimangchi kay Pachamama kanchi sacha sinchi ursa tachari ñukanchi ta kawsayta kun mana sarayku runallata win runata mundo entero ta kay sacha kawsayta kun.
Simang kaibi tukui kauseta kuintachi chaibi me yukanchi kausanchi tukui yukanchi asopina yukanchi sachapurina yukanchi muskui importante anchi mana ruranchi chu shuga educación da textos shukmanda shamushkata mana ñukanchi contextualizanchi kawsayta kay chayman sachapurina maybi tan ñukanchi kachikuna animalkuna mikusha kawsana maybi rishata sumakta kawsashun nisha imashinayga llaqtakuy kawsawshas amirinchimi maykambiga sachamarishkay kawsaylla apinchi chiang ñukanchirayku.
I first learned about Sarayaku back in 2012. They made it to the news because the Ecuadorian government entered into their territory together with the military and a foreign oil company. They entered into their territory in order to look for oil, in order to exploit it. So, of course, the community started to protest, and one of their main strategies back then was to sue the government at the Inter-American Court of Human Rights. This was a really big issue because up until then, no indigenous communities had sued a sovereign state at this court. So after a 10-year legal battle, the community won. And they won because under the Ecuadorian constitution, the law says that the communities, the indigenous communities, have to be asked for permission in order to exploit for natural resources within their lands. And of course, this did not happen with Sarayaku, in Sarayaku's case. I became really interested. And not so much from an artistic point of view, but more from an activistic point of view. So I really wanted to get to know them. I really wanted to go and meet them and to see how they are organized and how they manage to beat a government in the court. So I started to visit them in the span of 6 years. And during this period of time, I got to know their philosophy, which for me is a really, really special thing. Their philosophy is called Causaxacha in Quechua, which can be translated to English as the living forest. And it says that all of the elements in the rainforest, the water, the wind, the people, the animals, the stones, everything is alive, has a spirit, and is interconnected to each other. They are using what for me is the most contemporary means of communication, social media, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, all of the internet. They are using it to communicate this ancestral message of protection of nature and of interconnectedness of all the elements. And this for me is very, very powerful. And they are not doing this out of vanity or because they want to be famous. What they say is that they are becoming cyber activists because in this way it will be much harder for the government or for the oil company to disappear them. And this for me is a very powerful thing.